Hello, hello. Another diving episode. Last couple of days we've been diving. Yesterday I did diving in Jemeluk beach and pyramids. In Jemeluk beach, if you go to the left side, at the moment it's really bad visibility. If you're going towards Jemeluk wall, then it's okay. I was talking to another instructors from Amed. We met in Tulamben today and they said the same thing. I was concentrating more on the skills yesterday, so that's why I stayed on the left side. And there was like a cloud of the dust or cloud of the dirt above us. We were on 12 meters yesterday and down there was okay, but it was pretty dark because of that cloud. Pyramids, really milky water. All the way up to almost last pyramid where the cold current started coming up and it brought us really good visibility, about 20 plus meters. But that was only in the end of the dive and that was just before we came out. Today we were in Tulamben. First we did Coral Garden. As always, black tip shark. Nothing really extraordinary. Visibility there is a way better. It's actually kind of the place which saves us a lot at the moment, because there is no this sandy beaches. There's more like a small stones, and that actually helps for the visibility. Last night there was a heavy thunderstorm and it brought the big waves. Not really big waves, but like this, because it was really windy. Yeah, the wind is changing now. It's coming closer to the dry season. I'm pretty sure we will have another semi-rainy month, but it comes, you can actually feel that the rain season is going to the end. Liberty Wreck, beautiful. At the moment in my episodes you see same dive sites again and again, just simply because I cannot bring people to the Bunotan because bad visibility and pretty strong currents. Other dive sites, no one really wants to go out in a boat. Nothing really else been happening. I haven't been anywhere else. We'll see if we will dive tomorrow or not, but yeah, 4 days in a row we've been really diving, and that's great. I'm feeling way better than with all these big breaks. And yeah, I'm really looking forward to see you here in Bali and finally meet with you all and go out for some diving and show in a reality what we have, not through this screen of the phone or your laptop or whatever is it. All right, thank you very much for watching. Follow, subscribe, like the video, and see you on the next one. Bye.